Hi everybody, it's Birdie from My Favorite Quilt Store, and I'm showing off my Nutty quilt. Finished it this morning. So I had issues with the border fitting the same size as the length of my quilt, and I wanted to give you some tips because I sewed my whole border together before I tried to put it on, and mine was a bit too long, so I had to go in and make some adjustments. If you haven't sewn yours on yet, what I would do is take this one side that's going to be sewn to the quilt, and before you attach it to this green center strip, I would make sure that it fits this border. Like I said, mine were a little bit long, so I went in and took a deeper seam on the bottom part of the leaf on several of them just to make sure that it fit the right size. And then I had to re-sew my green, so I had to do some ripping to make my adjustments, and I would love for you not to have to do that. But it goes together really nicely. You see how you get the corner fitting in the whole thing. So I put more work into the border than I think I did in the acorn and stuff, but I absolutely love this quilt. It's one of my favorites. I don't know that I've ever done one with quite so much detail. So once you've got the top sewn together, piecing putting the sash in, that was no problem. So I'm loving mine, and I'm hoping that you're liking yours as well. I would love to see photos if you've got any. Send us a photo of your finished quilt, but I had a lot of fun making this, so thank you to Tula Pink for her design and her inspiration. This is a beautiful quilt.